What is your, what's your goal for CES 2025?
No, we are very excited to be a part of CES. This is the first time we've been at CES. Oshkosh is an industrial technology company. We've been in technology business since 1917. And AI, autonomy, electrification, connected solutions, these are all very, very core to what we do in technology across our product portfolio. To us, CES is the forum. This is the melting pot of where all technology comes together. We wanted to show our thought leadership of who we are, what is possible with technology, how we can transform our end markets with technologies.
I'm trying to understand a little bit on your innovations this year. Can you just quickly, briefly touch upon them? What kind of innovations you're bringing?
You see electrification. Electrification applies across all our product portfolio. If you look at our applications, majority of them are route-based, fixed routes every single day. And there is a tremendous amount of total cost of ownership benefit for our customers using electric compared to a combustion engine. And not to mention, obviously the emissions benefit that comes as a part of it. So electrification you're going to see as a main theme across all our product portfolio. That was one you see. The second you'll see, it's all connected. It isn't just one or the other. The second you see is autonomy and active safety. And autonomy, we talk about not about fully autonomous vehicles. It's also about making the operations more and more efficient. You use it as moments of autonomy. Can we do something to augment or make this person's job easier, make it more efficient, take some less time, make the job attractive, they can attract more people. So our end users we call them everyday heroes because they have the toughest jobs out there. Anything we can do from autonomous automation that helps their job easier. Clearly, we have fully autonomous solutions, driverless solutions as well, but there's a spectrum of what we look at. Things like active safety. So that's the second thing. AI is very much ingrained in everything that I talk about. All the advanced controls that are required, including AI solutions for overall fleet management. You'll see a lot of connected solutions as well, kind of having the visibility into everything else, providing data-driven insight so that our fleet operators can make a very informed decision. Anything we can do to take out the waste and improve productivity and safety, that is who Oshkosh is.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much. On a final note, where do you see the growth opportunities lie for Oshkosh in the near future?
Our growth opportunities are across all the segments. I mean, I believe personally that any time you're tackling a difficult industrial problem, there's an opportunity for growth. So you are seeing all our segments out here. I think it's going to be in technologies that you showcased today. Many of them are going to be in production in the very, very near future. Some are a little farther out in terms of timing, but we have to use, as long as technology can unlock opportunities for solving customers' challenges, to me, that's a growth opportunity. And that's where we're focused on.